Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing a soft and moist tea time fruit cake, perfect for everyday baking and ideal with a hot cup of tea. Simple ingredients, easy method, and great result every time. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, sieve 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Always sieve dry ingredients for a soft crumb. Keep aside. In another bowl, add half cup curd, half cup powdered sugar. Mix well until smooth. Add 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Gradually add the sieved flour mixture and mix gently. Pour in 1/4 cup milk and mix to form a smooth batter. Mix batter gently to avoid a dense cake. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoon peanut, 2 tablespoon raisin, 2 tablespoon pitha, 2 tablespoon tutti frutti. Add 1 teaspoon flour, mix well. Coating fruits with flour helps prevent sinking. Now add this to the batter. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil. And place baking paper inside. Pour the batter evenly. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Preheat the pan properly for even cooking. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Check doneness with a toothpick before removing. Tea time cakes are designed to be light and not overly sweet. Milk powder adds softness and richness to cakes. Fruit cakes taste even better after resting. Cool completely before slicing. Homemade cakes avoid artificial preservatives. Nuts and dry fruits provide fiber and energy. Control oil makes it suitable for regular tea breaks. Eggless baking is vegetarian friendly. Your tea time fruit cake is soft, moist, and perfectly baked. Enjoy it fresh with tea or coffee. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow in oven cake and cookies for more easy home baking recipes.